Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to download and install Subway Surfers application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this process will guide you through. First of all, unlock your smartphone and then make sure that it is connected to a stable internet. Open up your App Store or your Google Play Store depending upon your device's type, and then go to the search box and type in Subway Surfer. Look for this application and tap on the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your device. And once you download the app, tap on open to start up the application. And there you have successfully downloaded the app on your device. Follow through the on-screen instruction and you will be playing the game in no time. That is how you easily download and install Subway Surfers, whether you are playing on Android or iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.